Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2016 Ford Fusion. We are doing a camera, a backup camera. So, all of this comes off, plus the trunk lining comes out as well. Alright, so I'll give you guys some how-to. Here's your little camera. Camera itself sits right in here. It's going to have a T15 bit with a little plate right here. I got the plate on the inside of the trunk. When you take the liner out, a bunch of push pins. I didn't take it all the way down because this little cover right here doesn't want to come off and I don't want to break it. So I just pulled it out enough so that you can get back to all these little holes in order to get to certain things. So the rear brake lights come off. They are simple. They are 11s or 12s. What do we got here? Yep, we got 11. So they're going to be little plastic nuts like this. Gonna have, this will be the same for both sides. Gonna have one here, and one right here. Then the whole housing itself comes off, because what it does is it sits back behind here. You have to be able to get to this type of little clip right here. This is just a little line-up clip, but the trunk brake light and stuff like that needs to come out so this can lift up and take this out fully. So take that off on both sides. Then on the inside, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm nuts. These are going to be kind of hard to get to unless you have a deep socket. The ratchet inside doesn't work real well because there's not enough distance to do so. So I loosened them up with the ratchet and then used a ratcheting wrench to get it to the point where I could spin them off with my fingers. Once you've done that, then you're good. The only other things that's going to hold you in are going to be these little clips. You will squeeze them in or use a pair of pliers. Once you've got some tension on the outside with a screwdriver or a trim tool, I recommend trim tool because you don't want to mess up the paint. But once you've got that, you'll squeeze this and it'll pop free, at least to the point where this will come out, and then you can come over and undo. They basically just pull up like yay. And then once you've done that, you can lower it down enough to get to the camera. Should be right there. That's the only thing I disconnected as far as the connector. Pretty simple. You do have to kind of fidget with it a little bit because I highly doubt this thing has come off before.